Welcome to our channel Ayakar Kamkar. In this video, we are going to discuss who should choose new tax regime for the assessment year 26-27, financial year 25-26. For salary taxpayers, they have an option to choose old tax regime or new tax regime at the time of filing the return. Whereas in case of business taxpayers, once in a lifetime option is to choose the new tax regime is available. Up to rupees 12 lakhs in case of non-salaried taxpayers and up to rupees 12 lakh 75,000 for salaried taxpayers, the tax liability is nil. Even though the tax liability comes to 60,000, the rebate under section 87A, which is available up to 60,000, ensures that there is no tax payable. Income tax comparison for salaried taxpayers. For example, if the income is 13 lakh 50,000 and if the deductions are 5 lakhs 56,250, then the tax liability is 74,100 under both the regimes. Now this 5 lakh 56,250 includes 50,000 standard deduction as well. And in case of tax liability which has been computed under new tax regime, the 75,000 standard deduction has been taken into account. Similarly, for rupees 25 lakhs, if the deductions are 8 lakh 50,000, then the tax liability is 3 lakh 19,800 under both regimes. And if the income is 50 lakhs and if the deductions are 8 lakh 50,000, then the tax liability is 10 lakhs 99,800 under both regimes. In case the income is 1 crore, the deductions 8 lakh 50,000, the tax liability is 29 lakhs 25,780 under both regimes. And in case the income is 3 crores and if the deductions are 8 lakh 50,000, the liability is 1 crore 11 lakhs 24,750 under both regimes. The surcharge has been taken into account. Further, you need to understand that if you want to choose old tax regime, then your deductions should exceed the amount of deductions mentioned in this table. You need to understand that the total deductions include standard deduction. Under the new tax regime, standard deduction of 75,000 was taken into consideration, and under old tax regime, the deduction of 50,000 was included in the total deductions while calculating the final tax liability. Income tax comparison for non-salary taxpayers. The standard deduction of 50,000 and 75,000 is not available for the taxpayers, and excluding those deduction, the tax liability is calculated under both regimes. So, if your income is 13 lakh 50,000, the deductions are 5 lakhs, then the tax liability is 85,800 under both regimes. In case of income 25 lakhs and the deduction 7 lakh 75,000, the tax liability is 3 lakh 43,200 under both regimes. And in case your income is 50 lakhs, the deductions are 7 lakh 75,000, 11 lakh 23,200 is the tax liability under both regimes. If your income is 1 crore and with the deductions of 7 lakh 75,000, the tax liability comes to 29 lakhs 51,520. And if your income is 3 crores with a deduction of 7 lakh 75,000, your tax liability comes to 1 crore 11 lakhs 54,000 under both regimes. If you would like to go under the old tax regime, then your deductions should exceed 7 lakhs 75,000 in case of 3 crores, from 25 lakhs to 3 crores, and in case of 13 lakh 50,000 income, it should exceed 5 lakhs. Otherwise, you can opt for new tax regime. There are a few exceptions, a few reductions which can be claimed under new tax regime. Subscribe to our channel Ayakar Kamkar and mail us at ayakarkamkar@gmail.com for tax consultation. Thank you.